Hey everyone, this is Keith Mills with On Time Construction Consulting. So this is part of our final walk series at our Longwood custom home. So this is the entry actually in from the garage. So is what it is. So, and as you can see, we went with a brick. So it's actually a faux brick, it's a tile. So that is laid on the floor, gives it a nice cool look. We carried that into the powder bathroom, which is right here. So you've got your vanity, and your mirror, so along with the lights up above. So everything looks good. Perfect little powder bathroom off of the kitchen. So, and you also have your laundry over here, so, which is all set up. You got your washer dryer in there. Everything's ready to go. You have some extra cabinet and folding space. So some extra storage space in the cabinets, so which match the kitchen cabinets in here. So again, all the detail. So I went ahead and did, these are radius windows. So that's flex molding for the casing, which means it's rubber molding that goes ahead and goes around there, which is one of the reasons why we put the plinth blocks in. So and the plinth blocks are those little blocks right there. So is what that is. So that allows you to bring the flex molding down into that and then run with the regular straight casing after that. And you don't have to attempt to match up the two materials for the profile, which is just about impossible to do in most cases because the profiles very rarely match exactly. So beautiful granite tops in here. So everything looks good. Like I said, we carried the floor through here also. So we've got our low volt panel in there. So along with a couple of our alarm pieces. So this one's looking really good. Ready to turn it over to our homeowners. So make sure whenever you're ready to go ahead and get started on your next project, whether it be a new build like this one was, or whether it be a renovation, make sure to reach out to us and see how we can help you bring your dreams to life.